only two endings in this arena. You win or you learn. You're standing there, sweat stinging your eyes, lungs on fire, staring at a scoreboard that doesn't carry your name. That metallic taste, that's defeat, and it's also the raw material of a different kind of victory. This is the fork in the road where people are either forged or forgotten. What story do you tell yourself in the dark? I failed, or I'm being refined. The ache you feel isn't just pain, it's pressure reshaping you into someone harder to break. Winning is a flash of applause before the next test. Losing forces you to strip everything down to studs. Your prep, your discipline, your hunger, your why. Pain is the only coach that doesn't flatter. It won't lie to spare your ego. It scrapes off illusion and leaves you with the truth. You will fall. Not once, again and again. The question is whether you'll mine your wounds for wisdom or waste them on excuses. Tonight you bleed. Tomorrow you study. The day after, you rebuild, tighter, sharper, more dangerous. Some days hand you a trophy. The best days hand you transformation. Choose which one you're here for.